Good day guys, you're welcome to Browse Texture YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to clone your WhatsApp into more than one places. In our previous video I've shown you how to, the purpose of this video is to show you how to clone WhatsApp purposely for WhatsApp updates. Though if you need it for other purpose, you can use it for them, but the aim of recording this video is to aid your operations in WhatsApp update to make as much money as possible. So in our previous video I've shown you how you can connect multiple WhatsApp to your WhatsApp updates by switching in between your app, and it is like that. But today I'm going to show you how to clone the WhatsApp precisely. So without wasting much of your time, let's head to the first method. I'm going to be showing you two methods here. The first method is using inbuilt cloner, and the second method is going to be using third-party app. So every phone have their inbuilt cloner. So this is the reason why I'm using two phones now, because one settings is going to be different from the other. So but by using two different phones here, you will be able to have at least one of them will be compatible with your own phone. So that is the aim and objective of this video here. That's the reason why I'm using two different phones. So how can you use your inbuilt cloner? If you want to use your inbuilt cloner, all you have to do is to go to your settings. Okay, this is settings here. You go to settings. So once you get to your settings, you search for drawer app. Can you see here? I am having drawer messenger. Here I am having drawer apps. You click on them respectively, whichever one you have on your phone. You click on them. This is what we are working with here, and here we don't even have to go any further. We just click on the one we want to duplicate and we'll get it done immediately. So as you can see, these are the list of the application I'm having on my phone. So I want to duplicate WhatsApp right now, so I'll click on WhatsApp. Once I click on WhatsApp, I will toggle this on, then I'll click on turn on. That's all. I have successfully created two WhatsApp. This is one, okay, this is one here, and this is the second one. Let me move it so that you can see it. Can you see? So these are the two WhatsApp, and I can open the two independently. I can open them. Okay, so let me get back here. So I will click on Dual Messenger, then I will click on WhatsApp. I will select install. That's all. If I should, can you see? So this is my second WhatsApp here. This is my first WhatsApp here. Let me move it. Can you see it here, right here? So I can open both WhatsApp independently. So this one is less stressful. I can go back and still do same for WhatsApp business. Can you see? I can still come to WhatsApp business here and still do same for WhatsApp business. So this one is less stressful, and you will be able to log into both platform independently without being logged out automatically or whatsoever. So with this method, let's say you logged in two accounts on the first WhatsApp messenger, two accounts on the second cloned WhatsApp messenger. That is 4 accounts connected already. You also clone the WhatsApp business. That is 5 WhatsApp accounts connected, plus the main account. That is 6 accounts connected. In our previous video where I show you how to use the switching method, I've shown you how to navigate in between your WhatsApp account. Like if you want to connect 2 accounts to your WhatsApp messenger, you just go to settings and click on this button here, and you will have the option to connect the second WhatsApp. Now if you want to use cloner, as I've said, we've recommended some cloner in the past, but due to WhatsApp upgrade, some of the cloner, don't let me say some, most of the cloner has been phased out, and you will barely see a WhatsApp, an app cloner that is working for WhatsApp. You will be able to clone successfully, but you will not be able to log in and operate the account normally. So that is the problem. But before I recorded this video, I've gathered from users, I've gathered their experience and etc like that, and shortlisted like 2 WhatsApp cloner that is working perfectly for a lot of people, especially Samsung users. The inbuilt method I've shown you will work for everybody. Now, Iceland app. If you go to your Play Store and search for Iceland app, Play Store, search for Iceland app. If you search for this particular application, you can use it to clone your WhatsApp. You can use it to clone your WhatsApp and use it successfully. You can use it without any issue. You won't have any problem using it. So that is number 1. Another one is Mochi app. Mochi cloner. This particular app, you can as well use this one. When you download it, you open it, you will see the option to clone your existing WhatsApp and be able to log into them independently. Now the third one is Multispace. This particular app here, this Multispace here. I'm going to drop this particular one because there are a lot of Multispace on this thing on Play Store. So I'm going to drop the link for you in the comment section of this video. Check the comment section of this video, click on the link. I will outline it. So you click it to download the application. Once you download it, you install. So once you install, you click on start. You allow settings. You allow settings. So once you allow settings, then you will be taken here, and you'll be able to add as many WhatsApp as possible. Like you'll be able to clone your WhatsApp. You'll be able to clone it and open it and operate it normally. Can you see it here? So that will be all for today. If there is still anything that is not clear to you, you can drop a comment in the comment section of this video, and I'll be glad to provide the appropriate response as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and do have a wonderful day.